A sky in your gallery, add yours story template. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you from where you can find this add yours template from Instagram and also how you can do it. So keep on watching. As you can see right now, this add yours template has 9.9k, but a few seconds ago it had 7 million. So don't worry about it because it fluctuates. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YDT. Once you get here, you will have to go to November add yours at highlights, which is right here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there, so it's best to go here. Now tap until you find your desired sticker, which is at the end. You can also make my other viral trends if you like. Now click on the add yours button. And now from here, you can go to your gallery, which is at the left bottom corner, and you can choose your photo. I will go with this one. And then once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. You can place your sticker where you want. Also your photo, you can place it where you want. And now you can share this story. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can also turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.